A Scandinavian stone house with wood accents feels like a gentle breath of calm, nestled in harmony with its surroundings. The sturdy stone walls, softened by the warmth of natural wood, create a home that is both grounded and inviting. Together, these elements tell a story of balance, where strength meets comfort and simplicity embraces elegance. The wooden accents, smooth and earthy, frame the house with a sense of rhythm and grace. They add warmth to the cool tones of stone, creating a connection to nature that feels timeless. Every detail seems to belong, as if the home itself has grown from the land it rests upon. Soft light spills through large windows, touching each surface with a golden glow. The textures of stone and wood come alive under its warmth, drawing you into a space that feels open and soothing. The design speaks without words, offering a quiet invitation to slow down and enjoy the peacefulness it holds. There's a gentle flow here, a sense of ease that makes the house more than a structure. It's a retreat, a place where the outside world feels far away. Every corner seems to echo with calm, as if the house has been built not just for living, but for being, truly being. This Scandinavian stone house is a reminder of the beauty and simplicity and the comfort found in nature. It's a space that doesn't just shelter but nurtures, wrapping you in its quiet embrace and making every moment feel serene.